Welcome back to our journey. In the last chapter, we established that the world is moving into a new economic era built on intangible assets. Now, we'll look at the rocket fuel supercharging this shift: artificial intelligence and the cloud. The intangible economy is expanding at a breathtaking pace, with the United States in the driver's seat. This isn't just about new gadgets, it's a force fundamentally reshaping work, competition, and global power.
To grasp the magnitude of this change, let's compare two eras. The internet and mobile era had national champions, like your country's main telecom company. The AI and cloud era is structured completely differently. It's dominated by a global oligopoly, a small group of powerful US firms controlling the planet's core digital infrastructure. This is full-stack dominance, meaning they lead at every layer of this new technological world.
So what is this AI stack? Think of it like a skyscraper. You need a foundation, a frame, electrical systems, and finally the businesses inside. The US leads in all four. The foundation is specialized computer chips, or semiconductors. US companies, particularly NVIDIA, supply over 90% of the GPUs used for AI worldwide. This creates a powerful strategic chokehold. Without these chips, no one else can build cutting-edge AI.
The next layer is the frame and structure: data centers and the cloud. This is the raw computational power needed to process unimaginable amounts of information. Here again, US hyperscalers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are the global giants. They are pouring hundreds of billions of dollars into building these AI-optimized data centers. The sheer scale of this investment creates an almost insurmountable advantage. This is the raw horsepower that makes the entire AI world go round.
Higher up the stack are the brains and the final product. The third layer is the AI foundation models themselves, the complex operating systems developed by labs like OpenAI and Google. The massive computing resources required to create these models have grown exponentially, increasing 4 to 5 times annually between 2010 and 2024. The fourth and final layer is the application software. These are the AI-powered apps and services we interact with daily. This is where most direct economic value is captured in a vast ecosystem predominantly led by US innovation.
When you combine this dominance across all four layers, the result is a massive advantage in what we call total compute capacity. The best analogy is to think of them as AI factories. As of May 2025, the US controlled about 3/4 of the world's AI computing power, with China a distant second at 15%. This isn't just a small lead. It's like one country having the vast majority of the world's advanced manufacturing plants. It means the US can build more advanced models, serve more users, and integrate AI into its economy faster than anyone else.
With these AI factories running at full steam, AI acts as an engine for creating more intangible capital. It's a meta-technology, an invention that accelerates the process of invention itself. A good analogy is the printing press, which didn't just create another new book, but accelerated the spread of all knowledge. AI is similar, but for invention. In R&D, it's a game changer. Instead of a slow, step-by-step search for new discoveries, AI allows scientists to explore a huge space of possibilities all at once, dramatically speeding up innovation. In design, it can generate millions of options for new products, finding creative solutions that humans might never have thought of.
This engine is firing on all cylinders in the creative industries, where adoption is happening at mind-blowing speed and scale. Industry reports show that a majority of musicians, around 60%, already use AI for everything from composing melodies to mastering final tracks. In visual art, creator communities are exploding. The AI image generator Midjourney has one of the largest Discord communities in the world. This new creativity is visible everywhere. Just look at the tens of millions of images on Instagram tagged AI art.
This wave of AI tools creates a two-tiered creative landscape. On one hand, it allows almost anyone to create good enough content. But just as the advent of easy-to-use digital cameras didn't make professional photographers obsolete, AI won't replace professionals. It deepens our collective appreciation for true, extraordinary human craftsmanship. This dynamic is a huge advantage for the US, which benefits from a powerful synergy between Silicon Valley and Hollywood, creating new forms of entertainment and strengthening its cultural influence or soft power.
Now the story takes a significant leap into the future. We are at a critical inflection point as AI evolves from a passive tool into an autonomous agent we can delegate tasks to. These are systems that can understand a goal, make a plan, and take complex actions to achieve it. This introduces a revolutionary concept into our economy, the virtual employee. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a massive new global market for AI agent outsourcing, poised to be worth trillions.
Let's make this concrete. In tech, imagine an AI software engineer agent. You give it a goal in plain English, and it manages the entire development process, from design to coding to debugging, acting as a whole development team you can subscribe to. In finance, an AI private banker could provide hyper-personalized investment advice, while an AI analyst works 24/7, monitoring global markets and flagging opportunities a human might miss. This transformation spreads across all professional services. An AI paralegal could sift through millions of documents for a lawsuit in hours, a task that takes human teams months. An AI campaign manager could manage a huge marketing budget, shifting ad dollars between platforms every second to maximize impact, while an AI studio agent instantly edits video for every social platform. And this will touch every corner of society. An AI hospital administrator could streamline the entire patient experience, from scheduling to billing. An AI personal tutor could create a unique adaptive curriculum for every single student, sensing when they are confused or bored, and adjusting its teaching style in real time. This is personalization at a scale that has never been possible before.
The business model driving this revolution is called AI Agent as a Service, or AIaaS, a simple yet profoundly transformative idea. In the old model, a bank would hire, train, and manage 5,000 human analysts. In the new model, that same bank simply subscribes to 5,000 analyst agents. The result is a fundamental shift that could convert large parts of the global services economy into highly profitable, scalable subscription revenue for the tech companies that own the AI factories. This acceleration of the digital world is causing the Great Divergence, a fascinating split in the global economy. On one side, the world of physical goods, atoms, is de-globalizing. On the other, the world of intangible services, bits, is entering an era of hyper-globalization, delivered 24/7 over the cloud. The new rule of thumb? Atoms go local, bits go global.
Let's first look at the retreat of physical goods. For decades, manufacturing was guided by efficiency, leading to global supply chains. That era is now fading. A renewed focus on economic security is causing countries to bring manufacturing back home, a trend called reshoring. It also means the cost of physical goods will likely rise, reversing a long-term trend of falling prices.
In stark contrast, the intangible service economy is poised for explosive global growth. The key driver is the AI agent. These digital services are frictionless. They don't need to be shipped across oceans or pass through customs. They move at the speed of light through fiber optic cables. This creates a single, borderless market for professional services that bypasses the physical barriers that are beginning to slow down global trade in goods.
This is all tied together by a concept called servitization, the economic shift from ownership to access. As localized physical goods, atoms, become more expensive, it makes less sense to own them. For example, if cars become more expensive, the demand for pay-per-use robotaxi services will go up. This principle applies across industries, powered by the AI Agent as a Service, AIaaS model. Industrial machinery becomes robotics as a service. This is where the AI agent as a service model connects the two worlds, turning high-cost physical assets into the foundation for globally delivered digital services. It's the bridge connecting the local economics of atoms to the global economics of bits. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe. Let's pick this up again in the next episode.
To explore these ideas further, we recommend the book The Token Empire, available on the Amazon Kindle store.